Cloud. Once there was a little cloud named Puffy. Puffy was small and slow, and the other clouds moved faster than him. "Why are you so slow?" they laughed. Puffy felt sad. He wanted to be big and fast too. One day, the sun was very hot. The flowers on the ground were thirsty. The big clouds were too busy moving across the sky. But Puffy stayed. He gathered all his strength, and rain fell gently. The flowers drank the water and became happy again. A butterfly said, "Thank you, Puffy, you helped us." Puffy smiled. Maybe he was not fast, but he was kind and helpful. Everyone is special in their own way. Please subscribe for more.